Jason. And now, to conclude the first half, because this is still only the first half, I'll bring Paul Zim back out again. All right, everybody, help me bring him out. He's going to go moist ice for medley and everything, and you know, I love moist ice, medleys, whatever, and Paul Zim.
Well, I know that our congregants are familiar with this next song. It comes from my album called Simcha Simcha, Sing and Dance With Me. If you remember last year, I told you about it. It was not yet released. And in your last bulletin that you received, you had special words for Shabbos. Shabbat, Shalom, Umevorach. My choir here has learned special words for the Sabbath, but I'm going to sing the original song that appears on the album. It talks about a Jew trying to recapture his or her roots. And it has a refrain, Shabbat, Shalom, Umevorach. The last time I saw Shabbos, alas, quite long ago, my mother blessed the candles and her face was all aglow. My father, he looked younger, to me he was a sage. The family sang L'Chadodi, was that another age? I searched again for Shabbos, the Shabbos I once knew. By God's command, his holy day, so keep it holy too. Shabbat, Shalom, Shabbat, Shalom, Shabbat, Shalom, Umevorach. Shabbat, Shalom, Shabbat, Shalom, Shabbat, Shalom, Umevorach. Well, I was going to tell you to sing louder and prouder, but you're doing so well. We know it well. When we come to the refrain, ladies and gentlemen, sing out loud and proud that we all are to be Jewish. The simcha that is Shabbos is not the food you eat. Its essence is the harmony of family complete. The change of pace gives Shabbos a precious touch of peace. To contemplate the wonders of creation and increase. On every seventh day we rest, we say Shabbat Shalom. So do as you think others should, for Shabbos brings you home, everybody.